Medelina Yamazaki, the woman who threw a humidifier at a promodizer in a Cebu City mall, posted bail this morning. Here's Chari Coronel for the details.
After undergoing a psychiatric evaluation, Medelina Yamazaki was able to post bail Friday morning. Yamazaki was the woman who threw a humidifier at the promodizer in a mall in Cebu City. She underwent a psychiatric evaluation by a psychiatrist from the Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center yesterday. Mabolo Police Station Chief Investigator Jeffrey Larobe said Yamazaki posted bail together with her lawyer. She was brought to court after the summary result of the case was made available. Mia Mason Fragrance Assistant Operations Manager Cheryl Guevara said they will still pursue the case despite Yamazaki's condition. In the evaluation report, Yamazaki was diagnosed with bipolar disorder and was deemed unfit to stand trial. The report also recommended sending Yamazaki to a mental institution. Yamazaki's family claims that she is suffering from postpartum depression after giving birth to her child. She was also reportedly abused when she was young. In an earlier interview with the victim, Jennifer Fabilar said the ordeal had traumatized her. She said it made her afraid of her surroundings. Fabilar said Mia Mason wants her to undergo stress debriefing. Chari Coronel, Newsbeats Tonight.